Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, decision making, problem solving, understanding language, and recognizing images or speech. In simple words, AI enables machines to mimic human intelligence and make intelligent decisions.
Traditional programming versus AI. In traditional programming, developers provide both the data and the rules. The computer simply follows those instructions. In machine learning, we provide data and example outputs. The system learns the rules automatically and builds a model. This model can then make predictions on new data.
AI hierarchy: artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. Many people use AI, machine learning, and deep learning interchangeably. However, they are different. Artificial intelligence is the broad field. Machine learning is subset of AI where system learns from data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks. Generative AI is subset of deep learning that creates new content such as text, images, videos, music, and code. Types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, AGI, superintelligence. AI can be categorized into three major types. The first type is narrow AI. These systems are designed for specific tasks and represent almost all AI systems available today. Example includes chatbots, recommendation systems, and image recognition software. The second type is artificial general intelligence, often called AGI. AGI would be capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can perform. AGI does not currently exist. The third type is superintelligence. This is a theoretical concept where AI surpasses human intelligence in nearly every domain. So, how AI works? Data, training, AI model, prediction. At a high level, AI works through four steps. First, data is collected. Second, the model is trained using this data. Third, the system learns patterns and relationships. Finally, the trained model makes predictions or decisions on new information. For example, if we train a model using thousands of cat and dog images, it can later identify whether a new image contains a cat or a dog. Major domains of AI. Artificial intelligence consists of several important domains. Computer vision focuses on understanding images and videos. Natural language processing or NLP focuses on understanding and generating human language. Speech AI deals with voice recognition and speech generation. Robotics combines AI with physical machines to perform tasks in the real world. These domains together power many modern AI applications. So we'll see the summary what we learned today. AI mimics human intelligence, learns from data, used in everyday applications, includes ML, DL, and generative AI, powers modern technology. Thank you.